How to use Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, download the Xbox application on your mobile device by going into any app store available. Just simply typing in Xbox, choose on this application right here. Make sure that you fully download and fully install it. And once done, just simply access the application and make sure to log in into your Xbox or to your Microsoft account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, for you to be able to play properly on the cloud gaming, you need to connect a Bluetooth or a wireless console remote control by tapping at this specific icon beside the bell icon right here, and then just simply choose on add console so that you can completely connect your controller here. Now, once you've successfully connected your controller, all you have to do is to go into the Game Pass, and then you'll have to view available plans. And of course, for you to be able to play hundreds of high quality games on your Android device, you have to subscribe to the Game Pass on Xbox so that you can access any kinds of games available for cloud gaming. And that's it. That is how you use Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android.